The RSV4 XTrenta is the first bike in the world to mount the under wing on the swing arm, the lower wing that equips the RSGP bikes from 2019 and is commonly called the spoon in MotoGP. The results of the new configuration speak for themselves. Aerodynamic load increases by 25%, while reducing drag by 4%. The RSV4 XTrenta is part of the Factory Works program launched by Aprilia Racing. Unique in the world, it makes the same technology developed in competition available to those who intend to compete at the highest levels in the Production Derivatives Championships or who wish to have an RSV4 or Tuono V4 with performance optimized for use on the track. Starting from the already excellent base represented by the 2023 Aprilia RSV4 XTrenta 2022, Aprilia Racing's interventions have covered every area, starting with the engine, which reaches the extraordinary peak of 230 horsepower. This is thanks to an increase in the compression ratio, which works in symbiosis with a specific titanium and carbon exhaust system created by partner SC Project, which looks after and develops all Aprilia Racing exhausts. A sprint filter air filter using MotoGP and Formula 1 specification materials completes the equipment. The performance of the Italian V4 is managed by a specially calibrated Magneti Marelli control unit, while the transmission features a PBR-branded titanium sprocket, another XTrenta exclusive. The RSV4 XTrenta's electronic suite is controlled by a Jet Prime racing panel, while accessories include foot pegs, handlebar levers and a CNC fuel cap by Spider. On the chassis side, the RSV4's rigorous chassis is refined with a lean suspension modified by Andreani in collaboration with Aprilia MotoGP engineers. The billet steering plate is exclusive to Aprilia Racing. The braking system is the top available on the market, Brembo branded, consisting at the front of GP4 MS billet monoblock calipers and 330mm T-drive discs. The forged magnesium Marcassini M7 Argenesi rims fit Pirelli Diablo SBK slick tires in sizes 120/70 and 265, with SC1 compound front and SCX compound rear. The wheel weight reduction is around 2 kg compared to the standard. The livery of the new Aprilia RSV4 XTrenta, used by Lorenzo Savadori in the Austrian GP, represents a contemporary interpretation of the one Aprilia sported in 1992 in the 125 cubic centimeters MotoGP class, on the occasion of the first of the 54 world titles that make its palmarès one of the richest in motorcycling sport. Availability and price. Each of the 100 units of the Aprilia RSV4 XTrenta, offered at a price of €50,000 excluding VAT, will be bookable exclusively online from September 6 by accessing the factoryworks.aprilia.com web area. Lucky buyers will also have the chance to collect their model from Aprilia Racing, with an exclusive visit to the Noali Racing department at the same time, and will receive not only the limited and numbered version of the RSV4 but also the dedicated motorbike cover and mat.